Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and making the sending device discoverable. This allows the receiver to see you. Once done, open your photos or gallery and select the image or images you want to send. Next, tap Share and pick Bluetooth from the options, then choose the recipient device listed. You do this now because sharing from the app initiates the transfer protocol and creates the required file packet. Making the device visible shortens pairing time and avoids retries. You'll now handle pairing and the active transfer. When prompted, compare and accept the numeric code on both devices so the encrypted link forms. Make sure to accept within 30 to 60 seconds. Once paired, select the device and press send. Watch the progress indicator because higher resolution photos take longer. If you have many or very large files, you'll often be faster switching to Wi-Fi or a file share service, but Bluetooth works reliably for single photos and small batches. You finish by having the recipient accept the incoming file and save it to their Photos app or chosen folder. Make sure they check the image opens correctly. Once the transfer completes, stop discoverable mode and disable Bluetooth if you don't need it, because that reduces security risks. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, unpair and repair. Then move devices within 10 meters to improve signal. This fixes most stalling transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.